All right, so bet let's get into these Google earnings right here. But we're gonna talk about these. So Google just dropped their fucking earnings just now. So what do? Let's go over what happened. So Google's highlights. Look at this. They had an amazing quarter two, 950 million monthly active users on the Gemini app, 82% in revenue, 514 billion-dollar backlog is insane for quarter two. 17% revenue and growth, and Alphabet quarter two year revenue growth is 24%. That's actually crazy. Let's get down to the income. So they had 65 billion fucking dollars in expenses. They basically killed it this quarter. I know a lot of people don't know what this means. Basically, this means Google had an outstanding quarter, and they were able to raise up a bunch of money. Now, a lot of their money is going into capex, and capex is basically taking away that cash flow. So the cash flow, let's get into it, because I already looked at these analytics already. You can see negative 20 back on the cash flow. Google did say that they were going to raise the share prices by $9 or something like that. But if you just look at these stats, bro, they're crazy. $63 billion in Google and search. YouTube ads was $11 billion. The Google network was $7 billion. This was $12 billion, which was subscriptions, platforms, and all that. Bro, they've been killing it in the Google Cloud. The Google Cloud has been an insane investment. They have been seeing so much money being raised up through the Google Cloud, and there's just an 82% growth, and that is insane. 82% growth is unreal. Those are like world record numbers. This is wild. So Google has had a lot of good traction to it. Had a really good quarter. I think they're estimating share prices to go up, a lot. I don't know how this is really going to affect the market. But what does this mean for day traders, bro? What does this mean? So, for day traders, if you look at the charts, man, sorry, my charts are a little blank. I turned off my indicators for the YouTube video. If you want to see the indicators, join the Discord. I do go live 2 days out the week there. Strategy as of right now is free in there, so if you're lucky enough to see this, go get the strat. I made money with my members every single day this week, and we kill it in there. So baby cloud stocks, quick self promo right there. Anyway, let's get back into it. So as we see in fucking aftermarket, Google just got sent to the gulag, right? Like, how much is that? 350 all the way down to damn 325. So that $25 fucking sell off is actually kind of crazy. But so what does that mean for people like me who like to day trade? So tomorrow we're gonna see how Google reacts. We might short Google tomorrow if it wants to keep dropping like this. Hopefully it's not just like a fake earnings drop. Maybe people aren't fucking with the news that come out, and maybe people kind of see it starting to stop, or the hype kind of dying, or it could push it back up. With the quarter two earnings reports coming out, it could just boost this stock massively tomorrow. So with my strategy, I kind of want to see where we lay with seeing if I'm gonna long it or short it tomorrow. But this could go really any way. As of right now, we just sold off $25. So tomorrow we might either sell more, we might have a massive recovery. Google would be a good stock to day trade tomorrow if the price action is looking good on it. Let's just see what kind of day this has. Google could really open up to be something crazy, and it could be on your watch list tomorrow if you're a day trader. No matter what way it wants to choose, what trend it really wants to choose. Right now I'm gonna predict that we might be shorting Google. That was the title, is do we short Google? I mean, the way it's looking is, yeah, we short Google. Like, I mean, shit is kind of falling massively. So if you're seeing some shit like that, hop on it. Basically, if you don't feel like watching a video of all the earnings and you don't really care what they mean, you just want to know what the fuck are we doing tomorrow as a day trader, it basically means we look at Google on our watch list, we look to short it, or we look to fucking long it tomorrow. Just know that there is going to be a big move. I feel like Google is going to have some kind of big momentum move just because of the news around it. People are going to be highly interested in this stock, either selling or buying. So be on the lookout for the price action on Google. I will be in my Discord tomorrow, so you can catch me there, and I will be trading Google most likely tomorrow. And by tomorrow, I mean July 23rd, because it is July 22nd today. I hope I summed up the video well. I'm trying to make this shit quick, easy, simple. Again, join the Discord. It'll be in the description. Subscribe to the channel, like, subscribe, do all that. Yeah, baby cloud stocks. We're gonna see and have fun on this Google shit tomorrow.